Welcome to another video walk around here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we'll be taking a look at this 2021 Toyota CHR with some great exterior features that include 18-inch wheels along with 3M protective film on the hood, fenders, and mirrors. Entering the vehicle, we have our key with our lock and unlock. Taking a first look inside, you've got black Softex interior. This CHR comes equipped with power seat adjustments and all-weather floor mats. Taking a seat in the vehicle and looking at the steering wheel, on the left side here we have our audio and phone controls. On the right you've got your Toyota safety sense along with your cruise at the bottom. This CHR has 10,000 kilometers. Down below on the left side here you've got your heated steering wheel button. Over in the middle on your touchscreen you have your AM/FM radio, Bluetooth phone connection, some vehicle information, along with a backup camera. Right below that, you have your dual zone climate controls and your heated seat buttons. Down at the bottom, you also have a cup holder in the front, along with an outlet. Taking a look at the rear seats, we have more black Softex interior, along with storage pouches in each of the seat backs and all-weather floor mats. The back of this CHR comes with a ton of storage space with the rear seats folded up, but if you're hauling larger items or just need the extra room, the rear seats easily fold down. Additionally, you have this cargo cover. Thank you for watching our video walk around on this 2021 Toyota CHR with some great interior features that include a heated steering wheel, dual zone climate controls, heated seats, and all-weather floor mats. We are located at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail.